Hey everyone, I'm here today to share with you the knot technique which is used for manifestation. So I came across a couple of videos very recently where they're talking about the knot technique which is used for manifesting your goals. I haven't done this before. This is the first time I'm using this technique and I've been doing it for the last 5 days. Today I got inspired to record a video and do it and show it to you of what I have understood about the knot technique. So not that I have got results before, but I'm doing this and I'm sure I'm going to get amazing results of what I am manifesting for. So all you need to do is take a yellow thread. You can see this is how my yellow thread looks like. Make sure it is yellow. Material can be anything, cotton, polyester, doesn't matter. Just see that you take a little thicker one so that when you tie the knot it sits. And I have used that which usually you get for puja. I have taken that for press. I'm taking that, but you can take anything. The woolen one which is used for crochet, anything is fine. Just make sure it's a yellow one. So what is this knot technique? Knot technique is where they say that you need to tie 7 knots every day. When you do it, each day tie 7 knots to this thread, and every time that you tie that knot you are affirming that whatever you're asking for is already done and you are grateful for it. Yeah. And why 7 times? What I understand is 7 times is because we have 7 chakras in our body. 7 is the rainbow color is 7. 7 is a divine number. 7 is spiritually connection. All right, so let's do it. Here we go. Whatever you want to manifest, think about it. Could be your dream job, could be a home, could be just you want to meet someone, some opportunity coming your way. Whatever is that you want to manifest, that's what you're taking. I've already decided and I know what I want to manifest, which is why I've already done so much. Now today, this is what you can say it loud, you can say it in your mind, you can visualize, it's all yours. So So here you go. Yes. So this is my first knot. Yeah. For today, this is my first knot. I've done first. The second one, you can do it for money. You can do it for home. You can do it for a good job. You can do it for whatever. Good life partner. So this is my second. Thank you. Thank you so much, universe. This is my second knot. I hope you can see me. Now this is my third knot. Yay. Yes, this is my third knot. The third knot, I have done it. You can do it. As I said, for anything, try it out. If you get it, well and good. If you don't, so what? This is my fourth knot. So, yes, my fourth knot. I hope you can see it. Now, the fifth one. Here it is. I'm just keeping it in the height that you can see. Okay. So great. My fifth knot, I've completed my fifth knot. So it doesn't matter if you keep a distance and you do it, you keep it close, doesn't matter. Because I'll tell you further what you're going to do with it. Yeah. My fifth knot is over. Now I'm doing my sixth knot. And here you go. Here you go. My fifth knot. The sixth knot. Now I'm showing you my sixth knot. Thank you so much, universe. Yes, my 6th knot is also done. And now you have the 7th knot. Here you go. So this is my 7th knot. So today I've tied 7 knot. Likewise, every day you have to tie rather 7 knots. You can tie it closer, you can tie it far, doesn't matter. Now you got to do it for as many days as you can till the rope is there. Yeah, so you either do it far off, then you do it closer, whatever you want based on how the length of your rope. So I am doing this, and this is my 7th day, I guess I'm doing it, and I have a few more days to go till the rope ends, and I'm very sure I have set this intention, and I leave it for the universe to take care of it. So try this knot technique and see how it works. I'm also doing it with you for the first time, and I just thought, since I came across these videos, let me record it for you so you can also try it. And I am going to post my comments, whatever it is, achieved, not achieved, on the comments, and I look forward to your results. What's happening? Where did it go? Are you trying it? And did it come through? Alright, so look forward to your comments. Bye bye. See you soon.